Finally, stakeholders are welcoming the move by promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, SVREL, to have more jockeys from overseas come and ride on big days at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters tells us more.
A week ago at the 104th running of the Jamaica Derby, 3 international jockeys, Edgar Zayas, Angel Cruz and Hiram Barbosa, rode at Caymanas Park. Cruz and Barbosa of Laurel Park won a race each.
Yeah, I feel really good because I picked up that horse, so I'm not supposed to ride that one. So I feel really good. Thanks the trainer for the opportunity.
And I win the 3rd race, Barbosa win the 1st, so we're happy. We're going back home happy.
Zayas from South Florida rode Captain's Power to a 3rd place finish in the Derby.
Oh, absolutely great day. Didn't get a win, but it was a great experience, and the Jamaica Derby came really close there, and it was really exciting. I had a great day. Yeah, I was really close, 3rd place, really close there, and it was a great experience.
The trio is looking forward to returning to Caymanas Park.
It was an amazing day for us. We win, we go home happy. The fans love us, we love them. We come back in December.
Yeah, I'm coming back, of course. I'm coming back in December, I think. I come back, of course, in December for the big days.
Hopefully, I can come again, and hopefully I can win next time. Hopefully multi-mile, let's see how things work out. That'll be nice. The Jamaican fans are one of the best fans, and I've seen it from South Florida. There's a lot of Jamaican fans over there, and they're amazing. They're great.
Local stakeholders are welcoming the move to have more overseas jockeys grace the shores of Jamaica.
We have established some relationships overseas, and this is just basically a germination of that, right? So we had some top grade winning jockeys here today to participate in our derby, and it was electrifying. You saw and felt the crowd. It was a wonderful day. And this is just one of many initiatives that we're taking to bring racing on the global stage.
When these guys come down and they enjoy themselves, that's the key. We need them to enjoy themselves. And that means they'll come back, they'll go back and spread the word that Jamaica is nice, the Jamaican people and the horse people are also nice, and it's a nice environment for them to come and ride in.
Great feelings to have Barbosa coming on the check and Hector Zayed and Angel Cruz. Jackie, where we always watch out Gulfstream and Laurel and Charleston, Pinnacle, and them chat. It's a great feeling. Like where the syndicate are going with, and Solomon Shaw put on a nice show.
And there are some suggestions going forward.
A lot of the top jockeys abroad, they have to ride on the Saturdays and Sundays, and they had more calls and more expensive races on the Saturdays and Sundays. So if you can get the jockeys to come here, get races to run on Mondays or Tuesdays, holidays, it will be good. But it's very good for all the foreign jockeys to come down here and ride.
Yeah, man, more jockeys like Irad, Louis Sayers, them, and one more jockey when him. Our jockey from Philadelphia, that's Scaramouche. Real Jamaican jockey that. Jamaican Punta Attack, yes, Scaramouche. We want to see you, we love to see you.
And back in Jamaica for a 3rd time is renowned Gulfstream announcer Peter Yalo, teaming up once again with Brian Spuddy Rickman for the call.
Everybody in Jamaica knows how great Jamaica is, but we got to get everybody in the rest of the world to know how great Jamaica is. I mean, we got Anthony Thomas riding at Gulfstream now. We got Shane riding in Canada. Now we got the guys coming down here to ride. So it's an international thing.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.